So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Well, hello and welcome to another video of Power BI Masterclass series. Now let's see what is advanced searching in Power BI. For that, let's import a file. We have a separate file for that. You can also download that file from the description below. Now let's import the file first. Let's import that. It is searching with the DAX. Let's open it. It takes times to load. Now let's import table instead of sheet. Let's click on load. Yeah, you can see our data is imported. So let's visualize this to see what is the actual problem that we. So here it is. So let's format this first. Let's increase this size to, let's say, 15, 15 maybe, and the column headers to, let's say, 14, and make it bold. Here, uh, if I use tools, and I'll add this as slicer. So let's make here. So if I click this Power BI here, you can see only the Power BI need to be filtered, but here just this Power BI first tool is filtered. This is not, because the click view is there before that Power BI. So we have combined text of these two. So to resolve this issue, what I need to do, I'll need to use advanced searching in Power BI. So for that, let's create a table first. I'll go to this home tab, and under that I'll go to enter data, and here I'll create a table called, let's say, slicer table. Slicer table. And here I'll add a column called slicer, and make sure that these tools need to be same, and the text that you type here. So I'll say first Power BI, and here I'll use click view, and here we have Lumina, and here we have Tableau. Tableau should be Tableau, and then we have Excel here. And now I'll click on load. Let's add this slicer. Let's format this first. Let's increase this. Let's change the style to tile, and let's increase the size also. Let's say 15, and make it bold. Now let's change the background also. Let's say this. Yeah, let's remove this first. Now if I select a option from here, slicer, it is not filtered because it is not linked. So first, let's link that using a measure. Let's create a measure. Let's say the measure name is filter. I'll use if function. I'll say if the sum of, I'll use sum x, and here I'll use slicer table, that to be filtered using search. What I'll do, I'll search this slicers tool from the slicer table in the maths of training stable tool. I'll say training stable tool. I'll, I'll search within that, and for the starting position I'll make it default, and for not found I'll put 0, and I'll say if this is greater than 0, and I'll say true, and now I'll say false. So now what I've done is I just filter this slices table using the search of the slicers, that is the slicer table tool. That should be this need to be searched in this training table tool. If that's so, if that is greater than 0, then we'll say it is true, or else we'll say false. Now let's click on enter. Now let's to add this filter on this visual, what I need to do, I'll need to select this visual first and add this filter on this filter pane. I'll say if this is true, I'll just filter just a true thing. So I'll say apply this filter, and now you can see here. Just I'll say here, if I select Power BI, you can see all the Power BI tools are filtered, and there are some of their trainings. And I'll say Excel. Here we have Excel, and I'll say Tableau. You can see Tableau is also filtered. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.